Connecting Zetlis to eBay is easy. First, open your eBay account settings and go to Business Policies. Let's start by creating a shipping policy. First, enter a name for your shipping policy. You can use any name that works best for you. Next, choose the shipping method that works best for your business. Then select the shipping cost option that best fits your products and selling preferences. Now, add a primary shipping service. If you're not sure which one to choose, USPS Ground Advantage is a great place to start. The remaining fields are optional, and you can fill them out if you'd like. Finally, choose your handling time. When you're finished, click Save. Next, create a return policy. Enter a name, choose your return preferences, and save the policy. Now create a payment policy. Give it a name, review the settings, and click Save. That's it. Your eBay account is now ready to use with Zetlis. To connect Zetlis to eBay, simply click the Connect eBay button and follow the authorization process. Once connected, you're ready to start creating listings with Zetlis.